Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. That way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere and you don't end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Edge. We're talking about this generation Ford Edge here from year 2010 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the engine computer fuses are located, you will have multiple fuses that you need to check in different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart on our YouTube channels. We show you how to fix transmissions, engine codes. This channel specifically will be for fuses guys. And we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, if you need help with anything, if you're in the middle of nowhere guys and you need to find, let's say, the fuse on that Ford Edge for a fuel pump, for anti-theft system, alarm system, ignition codes, fuel injectors, anything like that, all you have to do, find the video on our channel, watch it in less than a minute or two, you're back on the road guys. So that's why we make these videos, to save you as much money and time as we can. So guys, for the engine computer now, we will need to check multiple fuses on that Ford Edge. Now if you own a Ford Edge, that generation, you're going to guys have many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know they exist. We recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Ford Edge. What you guys need to do, open the driver door, and here on the driver's side under the dash, okay, we're going to come here. If you come guys, you see that's your parking brake paddle and that's the hood open lever. Behind it you're going to have a cover. If you open that cover, you're going to find a fuse box that looks like this one with a layout like that. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, the fuses that we need to check, multiple fuses, just one in this fuse box, then we need to go to a different fuse box and we need to check 6 more. By the way guys, okay, please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. Here you need to check fuse number 18. We're talking about that very last fuse right here. Next, open the hood on your Ford Edge. On the driver's side you have a fuse box right here on the right side of the battery. Press these 2 tabs, open the cover, and on the back side, okay, underneath you're going to find a fuse box that looks like this one. Here guys, okay, we'll need to check a few more fuses, actually up to 6 of them, and here things get a little bit guys, okay, a little bit more complicated. We need to start with checking guys fuse number 67. So if we come in that row of fuses right here, you see that row of fuses, that's fuse number 67. We need to check 68, 69 and 70. These 4 fuses will need to be checked. After that you need to guys find fuse number 86. We're talking about this fuse right here, and next we need to check one more, which is fuse number 90, and fuse number 90 will be that 10M fuse right here. All these fuses guys will need to be checked on Ford Edge. So guys, this generation Ford Edge has all kind of different fuses and relays. Fuses and relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you live in a small town, if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and as a result we were stuck there for a few days until shipment came. So we'll recommend to keep some of those spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind, so that thing doesn't happen with you. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.